Okay, guys. Good afternoon. Welcome to our day two out of 14 weeks. Today's June 1, under the subject of digital electronics. In other curriculum, in other school, they call it also logic circuits and switching theory. In fact, the CHED, uh, uh, they label it logic circuits and switching theory. Okay, but in our school campus, we call it digital. They are the same, no? Because we're talking of one and zero digits. Okay. Now, there are at least three part of this today, unless we have still time, we could have three, but we will try to have these three parts. But in part A, we have the objectives. We have to review on what we have discussed last meeting. No, last Monday we have the online orientations. We were able to discuss the CHED content of the subject from binary, from counting to applications. No, we have the counters and registers, flip-flops, logic gates, combinational, 7 segments, the algorithmic state machine, decoder, and everything. No, so we have huge or quite the ingredients of this are quite plenty. No, there are too many topics to be discussed. Then the second objective of today's activity or lecture is to define in its application on the number system, its purpose and significance as we apply it to to impact in microprocessor. We have this machine languages. No, when if you are using an Atmel, no, um, latest version, you will be using this this machine language. Then we have to differentiate and convert the four basic types of number system. No? The binary, the octal, the decimal, and the hexadecimal. And we have to understand uh, this application as far as data representation is concerned. No? Okay, and you will see why we have still the standard data representation being used today, and that is the ASCII to character. Okay, kaya minsan pag ang isang key mo sa keyboard hindi gumagana, so you can use equivalent ASCII to character, no? Alt 1 2 6 something like that, then lalabas yung nawawalang letra. Alright, so to second page. Now let's continue. We have the number system. So pag sinabi natin number system, we're talking of numbers, of course. No, now we are very familiar with base 10, and we call it decimal number system. From the word itself, decimal means 10. So there are 10 distinct values ang decimal number system. 0, 1, 2 hanggang 9. Tapos kung marami kang bibilangin, the next is 10. 11, 12, 13, so on and so forth. 21 hanggang ilan yung gusto mong bilangin. No? But the next number system only consists of 2 distinct values, and that is binary number system. From the word itself, by, it has 2. Okay? Iba yung by, sa Bisaya yun, no? Pero ito ay by, no? 0 and 1 only. If you want to continue it, 0, 1, so we have 1, 0. You never call it 10 because 10 belongs to decimal number system. And then the next number is 1, 1. Not 3, no? And then the next number is 1, 0, 0. All right, so on and so forth. The third type is the octal number system. From the name itself, we have octal 8. So we have 8 distinct values. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20. Got that? And then so on and so forth. The fourth one is the hexadecimal. So 10, and we will borrow 6 character from the alphabet, from A to F. That's why we call it hexadecimal. So from 0 to 9, and then A, B, C, D, E, F. Then the next number, which is in decimal, that is 16. Kasi 15 tong F eh. So that is, we have 1 0. Okay? Of base 16. Okay? So another name for base is radix. In other book, they call it radix. Okay? Now, you can have your own language. Bakit hindi? No? You can have your own microprocessor with, let's say, Wewong. Si Wewong na naalala ko. Kaya Tresia, Mustar, no? Mustar number system. No? A number system with 4. So she has only 0, 1, 2, 3. There is no 4 in base 4. Just like in base 10, there is no A in base 10. Okay? There is no 3 in base 2. There's no 8 in base 8. Okay? Kaya nga pag sinabi mong 7 of base 10, 7 of base 4, that's not applicable. 1, 2, 3 of base 2 is not applicable. Alright? Now, let's go now to conversion. Now, we can still convert. It's possible to convert one number system to another. For example, base 10 to base 2. Okay? Using double method. Okay? So, we have 721 of base 10. So, this is our example number 1. Okay? So, always remember this. 721, that's my favorite number. Iba sa inyo, alam nila kung bakit 721. It's July 21. Alright. Sana magkita tayo dyan para matreat ko man lang kayo. Alright. So, continuously divided by 2. Okay. So, there is 360. Okay. The moment we divide to 7 to 1. So 360 times 2, we have 720. Minus 721, we have remainder 1. Alright? Then continuously by 2. So we have 180. Alright? So 180 times 2, 360. Minus 360, we have remainder 0. Then 2, there is 90. 90 times 2 is 180, minus 180, remainder 0 again. Then palibasa, this is a decimal number, we can stop that. So continuously we have 2. Then we have 45. Okay. 45 times 2, we have 90. 90 minus 90, still 0 ang remainder. Then 2, we have 22. 22 times 2, 44. 44 minus 45, remainder 1. Then 2 ulit. So we have 11. Okay. 11 times 2, 22 minus 22, we have remainder 0. Now, we can stop here because 11 is base 10, not base 2. Kaya, tuloy pa rin. So, how many 2's are there? So, there is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Minus 11, we have remainder 1. Ayan. Then 2, there is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. No. 2, rather, sorry. 2 times 2 is 4, minus 5, we have remainder 1. Okay. And then, if we have 2, ayan. Then we have 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Remainder 0. We could stop here, no? So we could stop here, and then the reading is from the bottom up. So we have 1 0, no? 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay? So 721 is 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1. Ayan. We have to put slice because pag hindi mo in-slash yan, letter O yan. Okay? Letter O yan. So, baba natin dito. We have to double check. So, ang sagot natin is 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is your binary point. Okay? Kasi base to yan. Okay? We have to double check if this 721 is the same with this. Double check. Yan. Okay? No. Just joking. So, we all know this is your decimal binary point, no? Kasi base 2 tayo. So, decimal. Kasi pag number system mo, katulad dito, 721, point. That point there is decimal point. But in this case, binary, that is binary point. Right? So, this is 1 times 2. This is unit significant. And that is raised to 0. 0. Okay? So, any number raised to 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Okay? So, this is 0 times 2 raised to 1, 0. 0 times 2 raised to 2, 0. 0 times 2 raised to 3, 0. 1 times 2 raised to 4, this is what? 16. No? 16. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 yan. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. So, 0 times 2 raised to 5 is still 0. 1 times 2 raised to 6. So, 32, 64 yan. Ay, sorry. 60, 32, 64. So, tama. 64. And then, may 1 tayo dyan. Okay. 1 times 2. Sorry. May not. Okay. Problema sa ano ka. Anyway. So, 1 times 2 raised to 7 is 128. And then the next, so 0 times 2 raised to 8, we have 0. And finally, the last binary digit, 1 times 2 raised to 9, is, this is 128, 256, 512. Okay? So, 1 plus 6, 7 plus 4, 11, 19, 21. Okay, root 2. So, 2, 3, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 12. Ayan, 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 2 plus 5, 7. Ayan. So, that is base 10. So, tama ang sagot natin. So, yung palang 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, base 1, and 1 is equivalent to 721 of base 10. Okay? Okay? How do you check them? Now, there is I'm going to teach you the technique, the stream line method. Okay? Now, all you have to do is to put 1. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 10 lang yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Isa pa. 10. What if we assign, what if they are all 1? So, all you have to do is to assign 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, and 512. Okay? So, para makakuha natin 721, sigurado 512. So, 512 may 1. 512 plus 256 is more than 721. So, 0 to. Okay? 512 plus 121, 128 rather, is under 721. So, okay yan, okay yan. Plus this, so meron ka ng 512 plus 128. Okay, ilan yan guys? So, we have 0, carry 1, 4, 640. So, pasok pa. Kung magdadagdag ka ng 64, so, lumalabas, this is 407. So, this is 720. No? 720. Ayan. So, pasok to. Itong tatlo, 1011, pasok yan. Tama. Hindi. 4, ano mo na? Sorry. 4, hindi na naman ano ko. 700 pala. 704 pala. Sorry. 704. So, pasok yan. Ayan. 704 hanggang dito. And then, pag dinagdagan mo ng 32, so, lagpas ka sa 21. 721. So, 0 to. And then, pag dinagdagan mo ng 16, so, we have 720. Ayun. 720. Pasok pa rin. Okay? So, 720. Pasok yung 16. So, pasok yan. And then, pag dinagdagan ng 842, lalagpas ka rito, 7721. So, 0 to. And then, dagdag mo yung 1, 720 plus 1, 721. See? So, this is the equivalent. 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 of base 2. Which is equivalent to 721 of base 10. See? Ano mas madali? Yun o ito? Double-double? O yan. Well, siyempre, ito. Hindi. This is the shortcut method. Okay? Alright. Now, you can still, how about base, octal? Let's say base 8 to base 2. Okay? Then convert them to base 10. Okay? Let's say we have 13 of base 8. Okay? So this is example number 2. This is page 4. Page 4 of day 2 of 14 weeks. Okay. So, if we have 13, so divide mo yan ng 8. There are 1 8. So, 1 times 8 is 8. 13 minus 8, we have 5. So, remainder 5. So, pataas. So, we have 15. Mali. Sorry. Pag ito, if this is base 10, rather, how do you convert to base 8? Ayan. So 13 of base 10 is equivalent to 15 of base 8. In binary, so we have 13 divided by 2, there is 7. 6. Remainder 1. 12. 2, there is 3. remainder 0. Then 2, we have 1, remainder 1. So 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So this is equivalent of 1, 1, 0, 1 of base 2. Okay? Yan. So you can convert them actually. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 13 lang. So wala na tong 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 1, 2, 4, 8 pala. Mali. Ulit. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 4, 8. So, 8 plus 4 is 12. Plus 1, 13. Ito tama. Alright? So, ganun lang guys, no? Now, if this is, let's say, if we have, let's say, 50, I'll use this space. If we have 50 of base 10, what is equivalent to base 2, base 8, and base 16? Okay? So, kung simple lang yan guys, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1. So, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 16, 32. 32. So, 32 plus 8, 40. Di pwede. 32 plus 16, 48 na to. Kung 48 na yan, plus 2. Ayun. So, lumalabas, 0 to, 0 yan, 0 yan. Kaya nga, 32 plus 16 is 48, plus 2 is 50. So, this is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay? Now, in base 8, so 50. Now, usually, okay, this is 50 of base 10 divided by 8. 8 times 5. 8 times 6, 48, remainder 2. Tama? So, 6 times 8 is 48, 50 minus 48 is remainder 2. So, we have 62. Okay? So, 62 of base 8. Now, how about in base 16? So, ganun din naman guys, 15 divided by 16. There are 2 16. 2 times 16 is 32. O 3. No, 3. 3 times 16 is 48. Tama. 48 minus 50, remainder 2. So, 32 of base 16. Alright? So, that's how we convert number system from one to another. Okay? So, your sheet work, okay, your sheet work to be passed today. So, base 8, base 10, and base 16. Okay? Okay? Your month birthday, let's say you have 7. 8 na lang, August. Then 25. Yan, August 25. Kung wari yan ang birthday mo, i-convert mo yan sa base 2, base 8, and base 16. God bless and be happy. Okay? Thank you guys.